Hello everyone. Welcome back to episode 4. In the last video, we talked about the power of listening. But when you listen, you will hear many new words. What do you do? Do you write them all in a notebook? And then, do you forget them the next day? Most students learn words in a long list. This is a mistake. Your brain is not a computer. It cannot remember a list of words with no meaning. Today, I will show you a better way to learn 10 words every day. Rule number 1. Never learn a single word. For example, don't just learn the word decision. It is difficult to remember. Instead, learn a short sentence. I make a decision. When you learn a sentence, you see how the word lives. You see the words around it. This is called context. Your brain loves stories and situations. It does not love lists. Rule number 2. Use your eyes and your emotions. When you learn a new word, look for a picture of it on Google Images. If you learn the word gigantic, look at a picture of a huge elephant or a big mountain. Then, try to feel the word. Is it a happy word? Is it a sad word? When you connect a word to a picture and a feeling, it stays in your memory much longer. Rule number 3. Don't study a word for 1 hour today and then stop. It is better to see a word for 1 minute, but for 7 days. See the word today, see it again tomorrow. Then see it again in 3 days. This is called spaced repetition. You can use small flashcards or a mobile app. This tells your brain, hey, this word is important. Don't throw it away. So, here is your homework for today. Find 1 new word in this video. Only 1. Find a picture for it. Write a small sentence with it. And share it in the comments below. I will check your sentences and help you. Learning 10 words a day is easy if you do it the right way. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will show you a secret technique to improve your speaking. It is called shadowing. See you soon. Goodbye.